I love being able to work on a plane and then right outside the hangar, I can watch it take off, and it's so rewarding. It's so rewarding seeing it take off, have an on-time departure, and know that I just helped passengers make their flight. I know how frustrating it is if a plane takes a delay, but I know that it's for safety, and that's why I dedicate myself to my work so much. My first ever interest in aviation was my aunt lived in Florida, and so every time we go to the airport, I got to see my aunt, and it made me love the airport. I always wanted to go there. I was fascinated by the planes, and that really sparked my love for aviation. My experience at AIM was honestly great. I had a couple things going on in my personal life, but I knew every day that I went to AIM, it was just focus on the planes, focus on my love for learning, and learn something new every day. And it was very calming, and I really enjoyed it.
So if it ends up like this, you've got the slip knot.
Ron was one of my favorite teachers, and while I was in class, I'm pretty sure I gave him a run for his money. He taught some of the more difficult classes like FARS, and he just always was pushing me to do better. He knew that I could do better. If I was having an issue with a project or a worksheet, he wouldn't let me just cop out and ask for the answer. He would tell me to look at it differently, look at the bigger picture, and then I would find the answer, and that's what I still use to this day when I'm working on difficult troubleshooting problem. The part of training that really stood out to me was when we got to tear down a turbine engine and rebuild it. That was when I realized I wanted to work on turbine engines specifically, and made me want to work at Republic and just keep growing my career. At Republic Airways, I am a maintenance supervisor. I've been a supervisor a little over a year, and I primarily run the line operation, but I do run the hangar whenever we need to fill in. And so that involves getting the workload sheet ready, assigning technicians, and helping research heavier problems in troubleshooting. I've loved it. It's given me such an opportunity to travel, to learn, to grow, to make some really good friends in the industry. And it's just been so much fun being able to apply myself to so many different parts of the aircraft. Republic Airways is where I really came to blossom and grow by the help of AIM. The scariest part of going to A&P school as a woman was keeping that confidence in myself. But if you surround yourself with anybody in or outside of the industry that believes in you, then they will help you whenever your confidence gets a little low. I rarely have to go to somebody and say, am I still doing okay? Like, I believe it now. And that's by surrounding myself with friends and family and coworkers that believe in me and support me.